Hello, everybody, and welcome to this live. And so today's topic that I was discussing, and I was thinking about, a lot of you have messaged and said that a lot of my clients also, and also people, those who watch my live, have said this one thing that they are really struggling about, and with is productivity. घर से काम कर रहे हैं तो या तो प्रॉब्लम्स ये हो रही है कि प्रेशर ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है, सारी चीज़ें संभालने में मुश्किल हो रहा है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम, वर्क एट होम, सारा कुछ मैसअप हो रहा है और प्रोडक्टिविटी सीरियसली हिट हो रही है। कई लोग सो नहीं पा रहे ठीक से, कई लोगों की शेड्यूल जो है वो पूरा टॉस पे चला गया है, उठने का सोने का टाइम उल्टा पुल्टा हो गया है। डिफरेंट टाइम जोन में अगर आप काम कर रहे हो तो डिफरेंट टाइम जोन के हिसाब से आप अपने टाइम शेड्यूल मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहे हो। हालांकि पर्क्स बहुत है घर से काम करने में, कम्यूटिंग टाइम बच रहा है, आप अपने पीजेज में बैठ रहे हो, पैजामा में बैठ के आप काम कर रहे हो, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं अब जो नॉवेल्टी थी कि खास करके जो मेट्रो सिटीज़ का मैं देखती हूँ, खास करके इंडिया जैसे शहर में, इंडिया जैसे कंट्री में मेट्रो सिटीज़ में इश्यूज़ ये थे कि ट्रैवल टाइम बहुत है, कम्यूटिंग में बहुत टाइम जा रहा है। और यार बहुत अच्छा होता अगर काम पे नहीं जाना पड़े। बहुत लोग ये बोलते थे, काफ़ी लोग ये बोलते थे जिनको ट्रैवल करने में मुश्किल होती थी। ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपको अपना काम पसंद नहीं था, लेकिन कई बार मेट्रो सिटीज़ में ट्रैवल करना मुश्किल हो रहा था। लेकिन अब जब हम 3-4 महीनों से ये लॉकडाउन में हैं, 100 डेज़ क्रॉस कर चुके हैं लॉकडाउन के, और ठीक है अनलॉक 1 शुरू हो चुका है और कई लोग ट्रैवल भी कर रहे हैं, ऑफिसेज जा रहे हैं, बट फिर भी काफ़ी लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं घर से काम करना। और जो मेरे जैसे है, खास करके जिनका काम कहीं से भी चल सकता है, ऑफिस से चल सकता है या किसी रिमोट डेस्टिनेशन से चल सकता है, घर से चल सकता है, तो ऐसे कई लोग हैं जो कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि उनकी प्रोडक्टिविटी हिट हो रही है, उनको नींद ठीक से नहीं आ रही है, उनकी हेल्थ गड़बड़ चल रही है, स्ट्रेस बढ़ता जा रहा है, काम पूरा नहीं हो रहा है टाइम से, तो पाइल अप हो रहा है। तो मैंने सोचा आज के लाइव में क्यों ना मैं आपको कुछ ऐसे तरीके बताऊं जिससे कि आप अपनी प्रोडक्टिविटी को फिर अप कर ले और कम समय में बहुत कुछ अचीव कर ले। सो चलिए, अगर आप इस टॉपिक को रिलेटेड, एक टॉपिक से रिलेटेड अगर आपको एक्साइटमेंट है, आप जानना चाहते हैं कि आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम करते हुए प्रोडक्टिविटी कैसे हाई रख सकते हैं, तो कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा। कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिएगा एक्साइटेड टू नो अबाउट द प्रोडक्टिविटी हैक। सो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए प्रोडक्टिविटी हैक। ओके, सो चलिए डीप डाइव करते हैं। मैंने कुछ नोट्स लिखे हुए हैं, कुछ नोट्स बनाए हैं जो मैंने अपने इस 100 डेज़ के जर्नी में कुछ चीज़ें सीखी, कुछ समझ में आया मुझे, कुछ मैंने लोगों से बातें की, उनको वो कैसे मैनेज करे, तो सारा कुछ करके मेरी टीम जो है रिमोटली काम कर रही है। मैंने बाकी बिजनेस ओनर से बात की जो रिमोटली काम कर रहे हैं, मेरे कुछ क्लाइंट्स हैं, और कुछ लोग एक्सेप्शनली वेल प्रोडक्टिव है और बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट दे पा रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में, बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट क्रिएट कर पा रहे हैं। सो मैं आपसे वो सारी चीज़ें आज शेयर करूँगी जो शायद आप अपनी लाइफ में चेंजेस ला सके, और ये चेंजेस ला करके आप इस पूरे फेज़ में, अब हमको पता नहीं कब तक ये फेज़ चलने वाली है वर्क फ्रॉम होम की, पर ये पूरे फेज़ में आप अपने आप को इसमें से बाहर निकाल सके और बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव हो सके। सो चलिए डीप डाउन करते हैं। आपके पास पेन और पेपर रेडी रखिएगा। मैं आपको ये सीक्रेट रेसिपी आज देने वाली हूँ कि आप कैसे प्रोडक्टिविटी को बढ़ाएंगे। ठीक है, मैं अपने नोट्स में देखने वाली हूँ बार बार, ताकि आपको मैं कोई भी चीज़ मिस न करूँ, मैं आपको सारी चीज़ें सही तरीके से बताऊँ। ओके, सो सबसे पहला, ओके, इफ़ यू आर रेडी, टाइप रेडी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स, टाइप रेडी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स, सो दैट वी आर ऑल एक्साइटेड, वी आर मोर एंड मोर पीपल आर joining this live. So let's get started here. Okay, so the first step for your productivity is maintain consistent schedule. Okay, maintain consistent schedule. Like most people are struggling with this one aspect. Okay, क्योंकि remote work करना है, you've been given the freedom कि okay, this is a particular amount of work that you need to finish in 1 week's time. Most people are telling you to do that. Most offices are telling you to do that. उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है कि and a lot of people I see have a habit कि उनके ऊपर जब तक कोई डंडा ना पड़े या उनके ऊपर कोई बैठे नहीं और बोले कि आज के आज ये काम चाहिए, उनसे काम नहीं होता है. Deadlines and timelines are very important for few people. For them, there is a serious productivity hit during the work from home period because they don't have anyone pressurizing them constantly or monitoring them constantly, and unfortunately 80% of the people you will find are the people those who need constant monitoring or telling them what to do. Okay, now I'm not getting to the details of why we have those kind of people. There's a altogether separate call for that or separate life for that, maybe why it happens that way. But anyway, so if you're one of the person who needs a constant monitoring or constantly if someone telling you to do things and then you get things done, the timelines and deadlines are very important. So for you, I would suggest that do not get into the flexibility. How much ever the flexibility at this point of time may be luring you and making you feel wow, एक हफ्ते का टाइम है, मैं कुछ आज नहीं हुआ तो कल कर लूँगा या परसों कर लूँगा. प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट. स्टिक टू अ कंसिस्टेंट शेड्यूल. आपका उठने का टाइम, सोने का टाइम कंसिस्टेंट रखिए. इफ़ यू कांट डू इट, सेट अप अलार्म्स. Okay, set up alarms. Practically you have to set up alarms for every 1 hour, couple of hours, for everything that you need to do. और स्टिकी नोट्स पोस्ट कीजिए अपने आसपास तो आपको पता चले कि क्या काम आपको कितनी देर में ख़त्म करना है. सो स्टिक टू द कंसिस्टेंट शेड्यूल विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. The other thing that I see is people generally are sitting at home and sitting in their pajamas and t-shirt and not changing. Now that's a very very bad move, I'm telling you. Okay, if you change, what happens is you get in, your whole mindset changes the moment you get dressed. If you're not getting dressed, you are into the same clothes that you worn in the night to sleep and got up and then you're sitting and you're doing your work. It's not going to help you, my friend. So you got to get up, get ready and change into proper office clothes जो आप पहनते थे. Okay, this is really I'm telling you, this is very important. Don't take it lightly. Change and wear clothes that you would want to get into action. If whatever it is, just try this hack and see. Let me tell you that this is one hack which has helped me, and this is one hack I've seen helping other people. Okay, you may think that nobody is watching you. How does it matter? Let me sit in my shorts or let me sit in my pajama. How does it matter? क्या फर्क पड़ता है? वो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I'll tell you something. That is the biggest problem that we go through. That's a mindset issue. We have to tell ourselves बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है is a problem. If you think that क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, because excellence, as I always say, is a moving line, and excellence comes with the attitude where you do things because you want to do them, not because somebody is asking you to do them. So it may look like a very trivial thing कि क्या कपड़े बदलने हैं, but it is very important. If you do it, it's kind of a productivity hack. Try and do it and see, it will definitely help you. Okay, so tell me, first I said is stick to the consistent schedule. Comment box में type करके बताइएगा, stick to the consistent schedule. The second I said is get changed in the clothes, those who are office clothes. Okay, or whatever clothes that you feel that they are going to take you out of your night or out of your zone of okay, I'm at home and I'm okay to एक अपने आप को ओके वाला जोन जो दिया है आपने, उसको कट करना है. ठीक है, सो उसको चेंज करना है आपको. थर्ड प्रोडक्टिविटी हैक हियर इज, ओके, थर्ड प्रोडक्टिविटी हैक इज सेट द शेड्यूल एंड स्टिक टू इट. Okay, set the schedule, stick to it most of the time. Having clear guidelines. So type in the comment box, clear guidelines. Clear guidelines are very important when you are working from home. Okay. What do I mean by stick to the schedule? As I was telling constantly that, maybe you have been given a permission, or maybe you work from home and it is possible that you have to submit your work after a week. So maybe you'll feel कि okay ठीक है आज मन नहीं कर रहा है, and it's quite possible because when you are at home you're not getting enough vitamin D, enough sun. cooped up in a house with your family, with your spouse, with your children. It's all chaotic. So you are not getting a chance to get out of that space. So naturally your body is going to feel that your biorhythms are going to go up and down. You're naturally going to feel little low, and the productivity comes with the dopamine. Okay, if you want to know what is dopamine, dopamine is a hormone, chemical in the brain, which motivates you, which inspires you, which pushes you to do what you want to do. Okay, it drives you to achieve what you want to achieve every single day, and that partially comes from the environment as well. Okay, but staying inside indoors might cause low levels of dopamine. And then you would want to get into activities like WhatsApp, or maybe watching Netflix, or going on YouTube, something which will, because what happens is or maybe binge eating, because these are the things which will immediately, it's a gratification chemical. So instant feeling good वाला chemical है ये dopamine, और इसी से आपको motivation मिलता है, इसी से आपको productivity बढ़ती है. Unfortunately, what you will do is you will indulge into the things which will which is not going to be which are not healthy for you. Suppose you think अच्छा ठीक है, आज थोड़ा सा Facebook देख लिया, थोड़ा सा WhatsApp देख लिया, थोड़ा सा ये देख लिया, थोड़ा वो देख लिया, करते करते 2 घंटे कहाँ निकल जाएंगे पता ही नहीं चलेगा. Because social media sucks you in it. You may indulge into eating something sugary, some chocolate, some cake, whatever it is. So if you don't want to do that, you have to stick to a schedule. 9 to 5 का अगर आपका schedule है, आप 9 to 5 को dedicate कीजिए. Okay, that is very important. Stick to the schedule and follow it. Stick to the schedule and follow it. Okay. The next one is focus on your health and fitness. Okay, focus on your health and fitness. Why am I saying this again? You just remembered I said dopamine. Type in the comment box dopamine. Dopamine release होता है जब आप वर्कआउट करते हो, जब आप एक्टिविटी करते हो, कोई भी एक्टिविटी. हेल्दी ईटिंग, वेरी क्रिटिकल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम. बिकॉज क्या होगा ना, बहुत नेचुरल है, अरे थोड़ी सी चाय एक्स्ट्रा पी ली, थोड़ा सा कॉफ़ी एक्स्ट्रा पी लिया, थोड़ा सा स्नैक में बिंजिंग कर लिया, थोड़ा ये कर लिया, थोड़ा वो कर लिया, अरे यार थोड़ा लेट हो गया, थोड़ा ऐसे हो गया. गिविंग योर सेल्फ एक्सक्यूजेस इज वेरी ईजी. एज आई सेड, इट्स वेरी नेचुरल व्हेन यू आर कूप्ड अप इन अ हाउस with people and very close proximity all the time. It can cause a serious impact on your health and fitness. So you have to make sure that somehow you make that time out and somehow you focus. When you focus on your health and fitness, you're naturally giving the dopamine to your brain. Okay, very important for your productivity. First thing in the morning, I always tell this to all my clients, all the people, and you'll hear from me all the time this. The moment you wake up in the morning, do not, let me repeat it, do not touch your phone. Do not touch your phone. Don't go on the screen. Whatever it is for you. If you haven't watched my video on the rituals that I had done a couple of weeks back, go and watch that video. I have given you the rituals that you must follow when you wake up in the morning. So do not touch your phone. At least for an hour. Give yourself that time. Let your brain automatically release the dopamine. Do not give your brain the immediate instant gratification of going through the screen. It's a very, very bad habit loop that you're forming in your brain, and that will hit your productivity big time. Because something that you will give your brain the first thing in the morning, it will want to do it again and again for the next 24 hours. And most people unfortunately wake up with the screen and sleep with the screen. So do not, let me repeat it again, do not go on screen. Type it in the comment box so that you remember it well. Do not go on a screen immediately after you wake up. Okay, and just before you go to sleep. Then the next productivity hack I can tell you is make some changes in your workplace. Now you will say that I work from home, there's no workplace. Exactly. So what I want to tell you is stop working from your bed. Okay, stop working from your bed, because that is going to kill your sleep. You are programming your brain that this is a place for work. So imagine when you go back to sleep on the same bed, your mind is programmed to work. You are going to get sleeping issues, and that is why most people, I'm hearing from people, and I ask them this one question: are you working from bed? And they say yes. So that's the biggest mistake you can make. Okay, so stop working from bed. It could be anything. Get yourself a small table, sit on that table, and around it make little changes. कभी कुछ रख दिया, कभी कुछ रख दिया उसके ऊपर, कभी सामने कुछ अलग कर दिया, कभी पीछे कुछ अलग रख दिया. Also, if possible, create a door so that you give a clear-cut boundary to your personal and professional space. If it's possible, door रख दीजिए बीच में. आपके वर्क प्लेस और आपके घर के बीच में एक डोर क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कीजिए, so that your family members also know that you're working, and not everybody is going to come in any time. So that's another thing, that while you're making changes in your workplace, it's very essential to create boundaries for yourself and boundaries for your family members as well. They must know when can they talk to you, when can they come to you. So if needed, it is very important to tell them, anybody, your spouse, your parents, your children, anybody, you have to tell them, this is my work schedule. Involve them in your work schedule. They wouldn't know. Don't expect them to understand you. Nobody is understanding at this point of time. Everybody is going through a crucial time, terrible mental health issues, because everybody is cooped up. It's getting on to people's nerves now. Initially मजा आया, अब जान पे आ रहा है, अब लग रहा है कि खत्म होगा ये. Let me tell you, इतनी जल्दी नहीं खत्म होने वाला है. So why not get into a zone where we are helping each other? So talking out is the communication is the key at this point of time. Please understand. Yesterday I was talking to one of my coaching clients, and so the entire family is under my coaching, and the child and the mother were complaining that the father is going through some terrible anger issues. I just spoke to both mother and daughter, and I told them, why are you making it your personal issue? They were thinking that the father is coming back home and bombarding on them, and I told them that's not the truth. The truth is, the person is going through his own challenges into his business. He is going through his own challenges into, understanding how can he make profits at this point of time. Maybe there are lots of loans. Maybe he's anticipating the worst outcome. Maybe he's thinking that, oh, what if my business shuts down? What if my profits go down? How will I feed my family? There are so many things that guy is going through. And the child and the mother, child and the wife has to understand that whatever he's saying, it's not about them. So be strength to and pillars to your family members. It's a huge possibility that somebody in your family might going through huge up and down in their emotions, in their phases, in their feeling, mood swings are happening. Understand it. It's not about only, only this whole work from home. It's also serious deprivation to go out in the nature. Make sure that you talk it out to your family. Also, if you are the one who's going through the mood swings, make sure that you explain it to your family members, that this is what is happening with me. Don't keep it to yourself. Seek help, talk to each other, and make people realize that this is what is happening with me. So creating those boundaries are very, very, very essential and very critical. The another thing that you need to do when you make your schedules is also taking the time for break. I would suggest that after every 15 minutes, get up and walk in the house, 10 minutes break. Take a proper lunch break, take 1 hour break. Don't do anything work related around that time. Whatever suits you, whatever is good for you. Schedule a time that this time to this time I'm going to work. I'm not going to take my work beyond these hours, because it's very normal, and this is very normal for the business owners. If you're a business owner, let me tell you that business owners are right now going through a lot of mental, pressure bolo, stress bolo, and a lot of stuff is going on, like aage kya hone wala hai. So most likely business owners anyway have the habit to carry on their work for 24 hours. They never disassociate themselves from the work. This is what my observation is. It's very important that you disassociate from your work. It's very difficult, I understand that. And that's the reason I'm telling you that schedule the time, stick to the time and say that beyond this I'm not going to work. Because beyond any time that you set, like 9 to 5 आपने time set कर दिया, उसके बाद भी अगर आप काम कर रहे हो, तो let me tell you this, your brain is not going to function. It's most likely it's going to shut down. And then you're thinking that you're working, but you're actually not working. You're creating an environment around you, inside you and outside you that, oh my God, I'm working, oh my God, I'm working, oh my God, I'm working. You're actually not working. Look at it, think about it. You're drifting, your thoughts are going away. You're thinking of something else. You're going on social media, you're doing this and that, but you're creating an environment in hawa कि मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. So please don't do that. Stop it. Okay? Cut that crap. Give yourself the time. Then the another thing that I realized is I had started doing in the beginning, and it was a big time wake up call for me, because I suddenly started realizing, oh my God, I feel that I've gained some weight. Okay, and I realized the mistake that I was making was I was snacking in between. Generally, I don't have a tendency or habit of snacking. So snacking too much is also something that you need to be really, really careful about. Also, you need to look at that, what are you snacking? So very important that eat nutritious food, don't snack too much. Okay, the another thing I feel is worked for me well is playing some music. You know, there are different kinds of music, you know, with the mood, with the tone I go through, I play. So what is the music that you like? Make a list of your playlist of your music. That really, really helps you to get out of the mood. Okay. So, and the other thing that helped me is, which is a big thing I wrote down in my notes, is connecting with someone whom you love every single day. It could be 5 minutes, it could be 10 minutes. Preferably in the morning, before whatever time you start your work, before that. It could be anybody at home, like connecting, hugging them, you know, being with them for some time, or holding their hands for some time. It could be your spouse, your parents, your child, anybody. Or if you feel that you want to connect with somebody else, like your friend, your business partner, anybody else, you know, get onto a call, a video call or a call or whatever, but connect with somebody. That really helps, because at this point of time, if people are missing the physical connections, okay, I'm also missing physical connection big time, because I'm a very physically connected person. I like to meet people personally, and when I'm not able to meet people personally, it really kind of makes me go into like little bit of that, you know, I'm feeling physical connect is missing. What can you do to help yourself? Do not deny that oh, it's okay. Do not deny any feeling that you're going through at this point of time. Okay, comment in the comment box and tell me that, you know, if you are the person who's missing connections, type I'm missing connection. It's okay to feel that way, because so many people out there are feeling the same. What can we do about it? You connect at home with the people at home. At the same time, if you feel that you want to catch up with people whom you really like to talk to, meet your friends, your other relatives, your mentors, coaches, schedule a call, talk to them, connect with them. Okay, it's okay to feel vulnerable, it's okay to feel low, it's okay to get bored. Okay, don't punish yourself for feeling bored, don't punish yourself for feeling low. It's all right. Okay, it's natural, it only makes you human. Type in the comment box and tell me, type and say I am human. If you're human, if you're going through any kind of up and down in your life right now emotionally, just say I'm human. It's okay. None of you are from out of this planet. At least I feel so. So type in the comment box and tell me that you are human. Okay, it's completely all right to feel that way. Okay, it's very, very important. So I hope you got good hacks from this live right now. Comment box में मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कि which are the best 3 that you found and which are the best 3 that you're going to apply. Okay, maybe you can apply one at a time, but which are the best for you? I gave you such a big list. Which is the best one that you want to apply? Okay, let me know in the comment box. I'm reading all your comments, so don't miss out commenting on it. Tell me the 3 that you loved the most, and I'll see you again on next live. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Good night.